Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to speed up your Instagram story in just a few simple steps. First, open Instagram and swipe right from your home screen to access your camera. Now, at the top of your screen, you'll see a speed icon that looks like a speedometer. Tap on it to reveal the speed settings. Here you'll find multiple speed options. For slow motion effects, choose 0.3x or 0.5x. To speed up your story, select 2x or 3x speed. It's that simple. Once you've selected your desired speed, tap the record button and start filming. You can change the speed between clips to create dynamic content within the same story. After recording, tap the arrow to access editing options where you can add text, stickers, or drawings. When you're satisfied with your edits, tap the arrow again. Finally, add your caption, tag people if needed, and tap share to post your story. And that's it. You now know how to adjust Instagram story speed for more engaging content. Thanks for watching.